Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add text on top of an image in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress to modify a web page by overlaying text onto an image. We will walk through each part of the process in a clear and concise manner so that you can follow along with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go directly to WordPress. Once you are on the main page, locate the login option positioned in the upper right corner of the website. Clicking on this login option will allow you to sign into your WordPress account securely. After selecting the login option, you will be presented with a few methods to authenticate your account. For convenience and quick access, choose the option that says Continue with Google. By clicking on this option, you will be able to sign in using your existing Google credentials, streamlining the login process significantly. Once you click Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account that you normally use for managing your WordPress site. This selection confirms your identity and gives you access to the WordPress dashboard and other administrative features. After successfully signing in, navigate to the section known as Quick Links. Within this area, look for the option labeled Edit Site. This is your gateway to start managing and customizing your WordPress pages. After selecting Edit Site, you will be directed to a list of websites under your management. From the available options, click on your website to initiate the editing process. This action opens your site in the editor where you can make updates and changes to its content and design. It is now time to add the text overlay on your image. Once the editor is open, move your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you will find a plus icon. Click on that plus icon as it represents the tool used to add new blocks into your site layout. This plus icon is your starting point to bring in the elements you need. After clicking the plus icon, a search prompt or list of block options appears. Within this menu, type in the term cover. As you input this term, the system will filter the available blocks until you see the one labeled cover. Selecting this cover block is crucial as it is designed to support both an image and text overlay components. Once the cover block is added to your page, it provides you with the option to incorporate your desired image. You will be able to upload an image from your computer or from a connected drive. Look through your files and choose the image that suits the message or design you have in mind. After successfully uploading your chosen image, the next step is to add the text overlay. Within the block settings, there is an option that allows text to be placed directly on top of your image. Simply enter your desired text and adjust its positioning, size, and color if necessary to ensure that it stands out against the background image. Following these steps results in a professional and effective overlay where text is clearly visible on top of your image. This simple yet powerful feature gives you the flexibility to convey a message or emphasize essential content directly on your WordPress website. Enjoy the process and explore additional customization options within the editor as you continue to enhance your site's appearance.